Can this egg really go in the butter? Hello friends!
I am Ritu
I'm Akhila
and together we are Akhila
and Mom.
We are back with another science experiment where we want to put this egg into the bottle. So follow along to see if we are really successful or not. For the purpose of the experiment, we will need a glass bottle, a boiled egg, a piece of paper and definitely something to light.
Light up the paper, and once you see it burning, quickly put it into the bottle and put the egg on top of it. After this, see the magic happening. Woha! It worked! Yay! See Akhila's excitement. Let the smoke settle down and then I will show you next. So now you can see that our egg is in the bottle. No matter how hard I try, this is not coming out. Now let's talk about how come this is even possible. Well, when the air is heated, it expands and escapes out the bottle. When the fire is extinguished, then air inside the bottle cools and contracts and therefore creates a lower air pressure inside the bottle than outside. The air molecules on the outside of the bottle or higher pressure outside the bottle pushes the egg into the bottle. ठीक है अब मैं इसको डालूंगा फटाफट आप ऊपर एग रख देना रख दो बस
Akhila and Mom is all about doing exciting things in limited time. So if you are new to our channel, then I would like to inform you that on this channel we bring kids educational videos and the activities which parents can actually organize for their kids, which can keep them busy, happy, motivated and engaged along with learning some new skills. So
Like, share and subscribe.